For today's video, I am going to teach you on how to fry a fried chicken. Yes, you hear me right? You heard me right, I mean. At what part?
Tummy. Tummy.
What's one now? Now let's see if this is. Hi guys. For today's video, I am going to teach you how to fry a chicken. Yes, you heard me right. It's a chicken, not a duck, okay? So, here I am now. So, you see, right there, she is my cousin and she is frying a chicken. Now, it's my turn to fry a chicken, okay? Hi guys, so here I am now. I am frying the chicken. You see, this is the wing. What part of chicken is this? At what part?
Tummy. Tummy.
What's one now? Hi guys, I'm here now and I am frying the chicken and I feel so hot. Because it's so hot here. Okay, so I am frying the chicken. This is the wing. Okay. Now let's see if this is already cooked. How to know if it's already cooked? First, you need to touch. First, you have to touch the chicken. Oh, it's hot. This means that it's already cooked, okay? Now you have to bring it back to boil, to the boiling oil. And then shake. It's already brown. This means it's already cooked. I am going to put it here. How many chicken do we have? We have I think we have 100 pieces of chicken. It's making me cry. It's so hot. It's already overcooked and it's crispy, I think. Do I have to try it? I don't want to try it. It's making me cry now. So, I have already cooked this in on less than 5 minutes. You see, you can cook a chicken in less than 5 minutes. And it's making me cry now. Now it's my cousin's turn to cook the chicken. Because they might blame me that it's already overcooked. You see, this one it's very brown and I might be blamed. Oh, I have to get this one. Okay, I can also dyan. Hi guys, so here I am now. I am here in front of the boiling oil and it's so hot, it's making me feel hot. Do I look hot? No. Okay, so how to fry a chicken? First, you need these woods. Where do you get the woods? In the forest, in the trees, in the mountains. Okay, well, there are no woods in the city. So first, you need to put a fire so the chicken will cook, okay? And then wait for the oil to boil. Once the oil is boiled, you need to put the chicken in the oil. Okay. Watch me. Watch me how to put the chicken in the cooking oil, okay? First, you need to have this. Put the chicken in the oil. The chicken is not cooked yet, okay? You see, this is not cooked yet. Now, put it in the oil and wait for 1 second. Okay. It's cooked now. What do you see? The color is golden brown. This means that the chicken is already cooked. Now, put it back. You see, I have already cooked. How many chicken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have already cooked 100 pieces of chicken in less than 5 minutes. Bye bye.